Everything great about an Amana heat pump. When it comes to dependable, energy-efficient home comfort, Amana heat pumps stand out as one of the top choices in the HVAC industry. Designed with American-made quality, innovative technology, and homeowner comfort in mind, Amana heat pumps deliver superior performance year-round. If you're in the market for a new heating and cooling system, here's everything that makes an Amana heat pump a smart investment. Outstanding energy efficiency. Amana heat pumps are built with high seasonal energy efficiency ratios SEER and heating seasonal performance factor HSPF ratings, meaning they provide powerful climate control while using less energy. Models like the Amana AVZ-C20 boast up to 21 SEER and 10 HSPF, making them ideal for homeowners who want to save on energy bills without sacrificing comfort. Comfort Bridge technology. Many Amana heat pump models are equipped with Comfort Bridge technology, which continuously monitors system performance and makes real-time adjustments to maximize efficiency. This adaptive technology ensures your system runs at peak performance no matter the season or weather conditions. Quiet operation. Amana heat pumps are engineered for whisper quiet operation. Features such as high-density foam compressor sound blankets and specially designed fan blades help keep noise levels low, ideal for homeowners who value peace and quiet. Durable, American-made quality. Amana is proud of its American heritage and builds many of its heat pump units in a state-of-the-art facility in Texas. The brand is known for its commitment to high manufacturing standards, resulting in products that are both durable and long-lasting. With proper maintenance, an Amana heat pump can serve your home reliably for 15 to 20 years or more. Excellent warranty coverage. One of the most impressive aspects of Amana heat pumps is their industry-leading warranty. Many units come with a lifetime unit replacement warranty on the compressor, a level of coverage few other brands offer. This gives homeowners peace of mind knowing their investment is protected. Environmentally friendly refrigerant. Amana heat pumps use R410A refrigerant, which is chlorine-free and less harmful to the environment than older refrigerants like R22. This makes an Amana unit a more eco-conscious choice for heating and cooling your home. Wide range of options. Whether you're looking for a high-end variable speed model or a more budget-friendly solution, Amana offers a range of heat pump options to suit your needs. Each model is designed to meet varying performance and efficiency requirements, giving homeowners flexibility without compromising on quality. Smart thermostat compatibility. Amana heat pumps work seamlessly with smart thermostats, allowing you to control your home's temperature remotely, monitor energy usage, and set schedules, all from your smartphone or tablet. The bottom line. If you're looking for a high-performance, energy-efficient, and reliable heating and cooling solution, an Amana heat pump is an excellent choice. With advanced features, long-lasting durability, and some of the best warranties in the industry, Amana delivers exceptional value for homeowners. Whether you're upgrading your current system or building a new home, consider an Amana heat pump for comfort you can count on.